The clamp modifier is used to limit the altitude of the terrain height map to a specified range from 0 to 100. The high altitude controls specify the high altitude to clamp all of the height map data at. This typically results in plateaus. The low altitude controls specify the low altitude to clamp all of the height map data at. This typically results in water planes. The OK button applies the modifier to the main terrain height map. The Cancel button cancels the dialog. The Copy button copies the current dialog values to the clipboard. The Paste button pastes the current dialog values from the clipboard. If the clipboard does not contain valid values, clicking this does nothing. The Reset button resets the dialog values to the values from the last time that it was opened in the current session. The Default button resets the dialog values to the application defaults.